Ready to lead as an economist in public policy or more broadly in your profession? The Master of Economics at UNSW is Australia's most rigorous postgraduate economics program designed for mid-career professionals and high-achieving graduates ready for advanced economic education that opens doors to leadership.
So, is this for you? This program is designed for two types of people. Mid-career economists with 2 to 3 years of experience seeking advanced economic and econometric education, and recent economics honours graduates who want PhD level preparation or advanced upskilling before stepping into leadership roles. To qualify for entry, you'll need an economics degree or equivalent with a minimum WAM of 70. We assume a strong background in microeconomics, macroeconomics, econometrics, and mathematical economics. This is advanced academic economics education at its best. If you're ready for challenging, intellectually rigorous work and want to lead in your profession, you're in the right place.
What makes this different? UNSW Sydney is ranked 19th globally, and our School of Economics is the best academic department in Australia. But this isn't just about rankings. This is the program that Australia's top economic institutions use to develop their future leaders. Our faculty publish in top scientific journals, advise governments, and shape policy. Our alumni hold senior and leadership roles across central banks, treasury, numerous government departments and international organizations, and industry. What sets the Master of Economics apart is the depth of education. There is no comparable program in Australia offering this level of rigor to its training.
What will you actually learn? The degree is built around 4 core courses: microeconomic theory, macroeconomic theory, mathematical economics, and empirical methods for causal inference. Then you'll choose 4 electives from options like macroeconomic theory, macroeconometrics, and microeconometrics. Industrial organisation, health economics, economic measurement, policy applications of behavioural economics, and public economics and regulation. You'll work on extended empirical assignments using real-world data sets. You'll tackle advanced problems and technical analysis that help solve pressing current issues. This is rigorous, theoretical, quantitative education that prepares you for taking the next step in your career.
How will this fit your life? The program is designed for working professionals and high-achieving graduates to complete in 1 year. You have the option to blend both face-to-face and online study, including both synchronous and asynchronous learning activities. Every day brings deeply focused, high-level work that pushes both skills and insights. But small classes means you'll have direct access to world-class faculty, and research seminars and software workshops will develop your professional toolkits. It's advanced work designed to work around your professional life.
So, where does this lead? Our Master of Economic graduates are now senior economists at central banks and government units. They're in director-level positions at policy and research institutions. They're senior executives in infrastructure and consulting. And some are even commissioners and heads of department in government. This program prepares you for leadership and a fulfilling career journey. It also opens up pathways to elite PhD programs, including at UNSW, if that's your next step. When you're ready to apply, visit the UNSW Postgraduate Applications portal. We'd love to have you join us. The Master of Economics at UNSW Business School. Apply today.